Hello family, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I am going to be doing a Halloween scene on my kitchen counter here, or well, bar area, and I want to share it with you guys. I'm not going to do too much for Halloween, but it is one of the holidays that I do enjoy because of the fact that I do have grandkids, and kids are so excited about Halloween because they get to dress up, and so are adults. A lot of people have house parties, Halloween house parties. So I want to do a little something for the Halloween season. This is some of the items that I'm going to be using in my decor. I got some of the stuff from Walmart, the thrift store. These two little decorative pieces here, I got both of them from the thrift store and they were only $1.99. So I'm just giving you a quick look at some of the items that I will be using, and we're going to jump straight into the video. But before we do that, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button. Once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So let's get into decorating. These cute kitchen towels, I'm going to be using them as napkins. I got them from Walmart and I just think they are so cute. I could only find two of the witches ones, so I had to substitute and use this one that has a house on it. on this area of my bar counter, I'm going to create a quick vignette, and I just love how it came out. So I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of how everything came out. I just think it came out so cute. I end up using a different plate in this setting. I used a black plate instead of white, and I just love this little cute tower here. It says home sweet haunted home. I just thought that was so nice. I used my black and white pillows that I got from Dollar General, and I just used some of this tape that I got from Dollar Tree that says enter if you dare, and place a orange spider on there. I end up taking out the white house and just leaving the two black ones on my little tree there. I added some bats and placed some decorative pumpkins on the side here with my Happy Halloween sign up front. And this is the other setting, which I use the white plate, and I like both of them. And I'm just giving you ideas. Like sometimes when you don't have enough of one thing, you can always improvise and just substitute it for something else. Just make sure it is cohesive and it looks really, nice together. And the placemats are actually a table runner that I cut to make the placemats because I wanted placemats instead of a table runner. So this is the vignette that I created, and I love how it came out. You could have put in like maybe cookies or candy, some type of Halloween treat, but I end up using some florals and creating a cute little floral look. Inside of the flowers, there are some picks that have like spiders on it, so to give it that, spooky Halloween look. And I really love how it came out. Very, very cute on the end here of my bar counter. And this is the pillow that I got from Walmart, and it was only $5.94. So once again, I'm just going to give you guys a quick overview of my spooky Halloween look here in my kitchen on my bar area. But before I end this video, I wanted to share with you how everything looked once I added some tea lights. These are some tea lights that I got from the Dollar Tree. I had all of them are like the candle tea lights, but I do have one battery operated, and I'm going to eventually get all battery operated little tea lights. But I just wanted to use the ones that I have so you can see how nice it looks with the tea lights inside, especially the tall ghost there. Do you see how it is flickering? I really do like how this looks together, and the lights just was the added touch to the whole little tablescape thing that I got going on here on my bar countertop. So guys, and yes, I placed that orange spider on one of the plates just to see how that would look, and I think that would look nice too if you had maybe if I had more of the spiders, maybe in black or even in the orange, looks really nice. So I just want to share with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.